Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If this is the first time that you're seeing any of the videos, or you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button. The support really does mean a ton to the channel, to the growth. Liking the videos, commenting, even watching them, disliking them. It all matters. It's all activity. YouTube rewards activity. So really guys, definitely make sure you like it, dislike it, comment, watch, all that kind of good stuff. Now, the last time I showed this mug, quite a few people pointed out that I'm gaining a few pounds, and there is good reason for that.
It get bigger, it may get a little bigger, it may not get bigger at all. We'll see what happens. But regardless of what happens, we're totally prepared.
I don't know.
The little lady is pretty much a week or two away from giving birth to my second son, and I've been spending a little bit too much time eating ice cream and cake and cookies and all that other kind of good stuff. But I will get my butt back in gear, go for some runs, and start eating a little bit healthier. What we are going to be talking about is pretty much the ultimate charger, and quite a few people have made a video about this in the past, and I'm a little bit late to the party. About 6 or 7 months ago, many of the YouTubers and Mopar insiders touched on this, and it was a charger that was designed by SpeedKore, and what they did was they took a Charger Hellcat, dropped a Demon engine in there, made it all-wheel drive, upgraded the transmission, hooked up a twin turbo setup running E85, and upgraded the fueling system, the injectors, and it's producing about 1,500 horsepower, a little north of 1,500 horsepower. Now, here is a clip. And so, you know, I tried to, find more clips of this this charger out there, and I can't find anything. There's nothing showing, it at the quarter mile. There's nothing showing it running or anything like that. So SpeedKore built this thing. It's a prototype, and really there's not much documentation on it. But I really wanted to weigh in. I think it's such a cool build, and I think Dodge should really start adopting some of the features off of this, especially the all-wheel drive. Now, I know a lot of you guys are not huge into the all-wheel drive, but I'll tell you, as a person that has owned a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT,
somewhat similar to like the Demon's launch control or trans brake.
Okay.
Where you actually have to hold the brake, apply full throttle, and then release brake.
It's still got that stiffy feel of like a car. Stiffy.
It's stiffy feel. Who says that? It's so stupid. It's a stiffy feel. Having a 392 with all-wheel drive, even driving that Trackhawk that is owned by East Coast Jeep SRT.
Holy shit! Wow! Oh my god!
I didn't realize it was going to pull like that.
Damn!
There is something so amazing about having that kind of horsepower with the all-wheel drive. Launching is a blast, and I know a lot of you guys are huge into the rear-wheel drive so that you can, you do your burnouts and your, all kinds of, just have some fun. But there is a way that you can have all-wheel drive, and you could get yourself a taser, or they can implement some kind of a switch to shut off the all-wheel drive and keep it rear-wheel drive. There's so many workarounds with it, but it's nice to have that all-wheel drive because these Mopars, they produce a lot of torque, a lot of power, low end, and having the power being properly utilized in that all-wheel drive setup is huge. So really, that's one of the biggest things that I can really take away from this Charger. What Dodge should be able to implement. A lot of people say, well, if you want an all-wheel drive, Hemi, go get a Grand Cherokee and everything. And I just, my response to that is, I want a Charger. And the pricing between the two, a Jeep and a Charger, is a little bit different, So that really covers what I wanted to talk about. I'll show you guys. Obviously, you're going to be seeing a lot of the parts of the SpeedKore Charger. It's a heck of a build, and it's a shame that there's not a lot of documentation on it, because it's just a very cool build. A lot of carbon fiber. It's lightweight.
Probably coming, so we gotta hurry up.
All right,
So
I'm done.
let's
I'm
go
good.
quick. He's
I'm
gonna
good.
do a lunch.
Okay.
He's gonna go.
Hold on, wait. Let me get behind you. I want to hear this thing.